Today I'm going to be answering a very important question about a very important and a very expensive ingredient. So today's question is, do you need to consume oral collagen to delay aging? Is it really important to invest so much? These are not, some supplement that is very reasonable or that you can get regularly anywhere. They're difficult to acquire and they're expensive. Hi, I'm Dr. Manjot, MD dermatologist, and this is my channel all about skin. So collagen is a protein which is naturally present in our body. It is there in our skin and it is there in our joints. There are 5 types of collagen. Now collagen 1 and 3 are which are normally seen in our skin. So why is it that we always relate collagen to aging? The main reason is that collagen decreases as we age. Collagen is like the main building structure of our skin. It's like the glue between two cells. So if this depletes or if this gets over, our cells become loose, our skin becomes thin, and as we age, you may have seen your relatives or someone elder to you having really thin papery skin. That's because their collagen is over. So the big question is, why not use a collagen cream, or why not use a collagen injection? The problem here is that collagen is a very heavy molecule. Once you apply it on your skin, it does not get absorbed. So it's actually wasted and it's just in the top layer of the skin. It does not penetrate below. Another problem with injecting collagen is people did try it. So this is not the first time. Long ago in US of A, they tried injecting collagen as a lip filler, but it caused lots of severe reactions and that's where it failed. So the only option that remained was to try to consume it orally and see if that works. So there were multiple studies done to see if oral collagen could actually help and restore your skin collagen levels. A lot of people claimed and said this is not going to work because our stomach has acids in it, and when you consume collagen, these acids are going to break it down. But companies have started coming up with hydrolyzed collagen, dipeptide and tripeptide collagen, fancy names that work and help bypass the stomach and get absorbed and help your skin. So how do you see these changes that are coming in? You will notice an increase in the skin hydration. You will notice an increase in this, softness of the skin texture, and also the thickness of the skin, the glow and the shine that it will have. So how long do you need to consume collagen to see these results? Collagen needs to be consumed for at least 4 to 12 weeks. Few collagen supplements start showing result earlier, but they are a heavier collagen. They have more collagen content per gram. And similarly, few will start showing it a little later, but on an average, take into consideration 12 weeks. That's 3 months till you start seeing some results. Another very important question is, can we get collagen naturally from our diet? Yes, collagen is easily available, especially from non-vegetarian sources. Now that is one thing that you need to remember. Vegetarian sources are very low in collagen, and non-vegetarian sources are the highest or have the highest content of collagen. So the most common ingredient that is known to have the highest content for collagen is bone broth. A high fish intake in your diet, having more of chicken and eggs, these are things that help in restoring your collagen. Bone broth, at least having every alternate day, is something that can really work on your collagen in a natural way. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions about collagen and its supplementation, leave them below in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Thanks.